In this video we are going to create this logo. This logo contains two circles. The inner circle contains the text robot race. The outer circle contains the text code to win. In the middle you are going to see, or you are going to add a robot image as mentioned here in these steps. The logo must be in the shape of a circle. Use two colors. Include the text robot race. Include the text code to win. Fit the text appropriately to the logo. Include an image of a robot chosen from the files provided. Have a transparent background set in the image of the robot. يبقى هنا حتى الروبوت image محتاج نخليه الباك جراوند transparent زي ما آخر خطوة هنا. طيب رقم واحد بنرسم التو circles. Use the control key while drawing to make a perfect circle. Change the color, the fill color from these icons or this palette, color palette, or you can use Ctrl Shift F to use fill and stroke. Fill and stroke, make sure you are switching to RGB color, red, green and blue. The last letter is for transparency, alpha. Make sure alpha is 100. Okay, about the stroke, you can switch to stroke paint and stroke style. Stroke paint to control if you need to add a color or not. Okay, stroke style to control the stroke width. Here the width is 8 pixels. You can switch it or make it 20 pixels or less. In this task I need a stroke, but I don't need the fill color, so I'm going to make the stroke in blue and remove the fill color. Flat or no paint, no paint in the fill. Now add the text. Robot race. To make the text on the circle's path, you need to select the circle first, then from path menu choose object to path. Shift Ctrl C. Okay, now this circle is converted to a path. You can select both the text and the circle using Shift key. Make sure both are selected, then open text menu, choose bottom path. To rotate the circle left, you need to group the shapes, Ctrl G, then click to make the corners circles, then switch or move the corners. Click again to make the corners resize. So corners perform two tasks, resizing and rotating. If you click these corners for rotating. If you click again, these corners for resizing. Okay, now we need to duplicate. Ctrl D and move the other duplicate. Now you are going to make this circle smaller by holding Ctrl key on your keyboard and resize while holding Ctrl key. Ungroup these two. Ungroup the text from the shape. Okay, now you are going to delete the text. Add another text, code to win. Code to win. I'm going to check the question. Code to win is on the outer circle, the bigger one. So I made a mistake. This circle is the bigger one. Okay, I'm going to switch to selection tool, make this circle or resize this one, hold control key on your keyboard and resize. The previous circle will be the smallest. Okay, now select code to win with the circle using shift key, then from text menu bottom path I need this line code to win inside the circle. So I have here in the selection tool flip horizontal and flip vertical. Use flip vertical like this. To rotate you can group first, okay, click again, make the corners rotate. Move the smaller circle inside and you have the completed logo. We're going to add fill colors. Okay, for the outer circle use a fill color such as, I don't know, any fill color, this gold color or light red or light orange. Using selection tool, you notice that the outer circle above all objects, I'm going to send it back using raise and lower. You have lower here. For the inner circle I'm going to notice another thing, the text changed color also, so you have to ungroup, then select the circle, make select the text, make the text black. Okay, here change colors. Okay, ungroup, select text only, switch to black. For the center logo, you can use Control I to import the logo or the robot image. Control I on your keyboard. To remove the white color, I need to make the robot with a transparent color. So you can select the robot, then open path, choose trace bitmap. Okay, from this window or panel you can switch to multicolor. You have a single scan and multicolor and pixel art. Choose multicolor, then from here choose colors. From here tick this option, remove background, then click apply. Close trace bitmap, close it, close any other tabs. You have here two copies, the above one with a transparent background and the original one. This one is with the background removed and transparent and ready to be used. Okay, now I finished. You can remove the imported robot or cut it. Now Control Shift E to export. Control Shift E to export and choose document, not page. If you choose page, all the white area and the canvas, the completed canvas, will be exported. I need only the logo, so choose document. Here make sure you are using your desktop okay, and write the correct name for the task. Candidate number, my logo, so add your number, then my logo. Choose PNG format and click save. How to answer this task, the Penguin task, and how to apply a vignette style after changing the width and height and cropping. Switch to your Inkscape canvas, make sure it's empty. Control I to import the penguin image. Control I. Zoom out to see corners. Okay, don't resize with the image now. The next question is to crop the image so that the right hand penguin is removed. We need to remove only the right hand penguin. To crop the image and remove the right hand penguin, you have to draw a shape to cover the penguin to keep the penguin to keep. Then use the selection tool to select the background with the square using shift key. Then use object clip set clip. Now after cropping the image and remove the right hand penguin, adjust the image width to 1400 and 2000. To do this, use selection tool and change the measurement unit to pixel, the width 1014 and 1400 and the height 2000. To change canvas dimension to match this new size, select your image, open edit, choose resize page to selection. Now you have the background canvas match the image size. To apply vignette style, first add a new layer, name the layer or keep the original name, make the layer above the current. In the new layer, draw a white square or rectangle. But you need in vignette style to make the corners in black, the center in white. To do so, you have to switch Ctrl Shift F, the fill and stroke tab, choose radial gradient. Now you have two colors, the edges and the center. The edges will be in black by clicking this dot and change the color. Click this dot and change the color to white. Now the layer, the above layer, cover the layer below. So you are going to make the above layer transparent by make alpha in a small value, like 10%. Now you have a vignette style. Ctrl Shift E for export. Export the page, choose here desktop and name your logo as mentioned here, my image and a candidate number, then my image. choose PNG or JPG as requested, wait for the export to complete,